Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Nuri Yuliani. Student ID number is 210333031 from Physics Education. This video is a course assessment the English for Physics Education from lecture Silvi Yuliasari SPD MPD. Okay, in this video, I will explain the material about vectors. Firstly, we must understand two quantities used in the physics. The first one is scalar quantities, the second is vector quantities. Scalar quantity is quantity that only has magnitude. Example include time, temperature, volume, and energy. Scalar do not depend on the coordinate system. Meanwhile, vector quantity is quantity that has both magnitude and direction. Examples are speed, acceleration, and force. Vectors depend on the coordinate system. Observe the following example. Scalar quantities only have magnitude without direction. Then notice the example of the vector quantities. They have both magnitude and direction. Next, we will discuss how to draw and write vector notation. Observe the arrow pictures below. Point P is the starting point of the vector. Point Q is the end of the vector. Arrow is direction of the vectors. And length PQ is the magnitude of the vectors. Moving on, let's discuss vector operation. In this video, we will discuss two vector operation. One vector sum and difference operation. Two multiplication operation. Vector addition can be performed using four methods. 1. Parallelogram. 2. Triangle. 3. Polygon. And 4. Description. For parallelogram, refer to the slide. A plus B becomes AB if vector A and B are in the same direction. Theta is 0 degrees. R is A plus B. If vector A and B are in opposite direction, theta is 118 degrees. R is A min B. If vector A and B are perpendicular, theta is 19 degrees, R is 0. The second method is the triangle. We can show in the image in the slide. The third method is the polygon. The polygon method is used for adding more than two vectors. The first method is by description. Vectors as described in the term of their component x-axis and y-axis. From the image, it can be deduced as sounds. Observe the image beside. For f1, the value of fx is f1 cos alpha. For fy is f1 sin alpha. For f2, the value fx is f1 cos beta, and for the fy is f1 sin beta. For f3, the value of fx is 0, and for fy is min f3. Okay, for the example, we can see in the slide. If the first displacement is expressed as vector A, the second displacement as vector B, and the third displacement vector C, then the total displacement is expressed vector T. From the pictures above, it can be seen that the length of the vector D is square root of 14 squares plus 20 squares equals 4 equals 10 times square root of 17.